Hi guys, my name is Elizabeth, and I am making this video to talk about the product Profolica and help you decide if you want to buy it. Most men and women lose their hair due to a genetic sensitivity to DHT. DHT starts a process called follicle miniaturization, which if left untreated causes hair follicles to shrink until they die. Brittle hair is one of the first signs of DHT destroying your hair follicles. Next, hair begins to thin and eventually starts to fall out altogether. But you don't have to sit back and watch your hair fall out. The Profolica system stops uncontrolled hair loss on the spot. The Profolica system is formulated to help stop and reverse your hair loss. It does this by blocking harmful DHT from reaching your hair follicles. Profolica works by disrupting the binding of the enzymes alpha-5 reductase to your free testosterone. It is designed to stop the miniaturization of the hair follicle before it is too late. Profolica contains a powerful, clinically proven formula to combat hair loss and aims to provide a burst of new hair growth for men and women. Its ingredients are 100% natural and there are no side effects. The Profolica system is a two-part system recommended by doctors to combat hair loss and activate hair growth for men and women. Step 1. Block DHT to stop hair loss using Profolica Plus with millet extract. Taken daily, Profolica Plus with millet extract acts immediately by blocking the formation of DHT. This is like plugging the hole in a bucket before filling it with water. Step 2. Reactivate dormant follicles for new hair growth with Profolica Activator Gel with Tricogen. Tricogen has been clinically proven to increase hair growth in men and women, helping to grow thicker, healthier hair. It's easy to use Profolica Activator Gel. You just massage it into damp hair and scalp after shampooing. But don't forget, the use must be constant and a good diet. Taking care of yourself, the result comes faster. According to research in clinical trials, after 112 days of using Tricogen, men experienced the following results. 90% of men said their hair loss was dimmed. 87.5% rated their hair growth as good or very good. 62.5% rated hair volume as good or very good. 45% said they saw less hair on their pillows. 41% noticed less hair loss during washing. 24% noticed less hair falling out during styling. So yes, Profolica will solve your hair problem and I am sure your results will be amazing. Well, in conclusion, Dr. Dave David, cosmetic surgeon, is so sure that you will love the results obtained with the Profolica system that he offers a 67-day money-back guarantee with your order, 100% of the purchase price, and also offers a great discount on purchases over 3 bottles. But this promotion is only offered on the official site of the product, and to help you, I will leave the link here in the description of this video, the official site. When buying, make sure the product is really the official product, because if not, you may suffer disastrous consequences for your health. See you later.